y'all.
How you doing? It's Food Truck Wednesday.
Today we are in Tullahoma at Bouchard's. It's on the Manchester Highway. Great hamburgers.
Man, we're always on the look for their best burger, the greatest burger, the substantial burger. This is going on the list right here. They've got the smash burgers over here that are unbelievable. She had the 931 and I had the firefighter. Woo, son, it was so good. You get a chance, come to Tullahoma and check out Bouchard's. And remember, don't just travel Tennessee, experience Tennessee. Y'all have a good day now, okay?
And that's it.